Election Commission of India (ECI) has directed Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP) President JP Nadda and Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge to issue formal notes to star campaigners to correct their discourse, exercise care and maintain decorum. This is the Commission's unprecedented orders to the BJP and Congress in the wake of plummeting quality of campaigning led by the star campaigners. The Election Commission has come down heavily on both the BJP and the Congress for campaigning along caste, community, language and religion. The Indian Embassy in Cambodia has rescued 60 Indian nationals who fell prey to fraudulent job offers in the country. The rescued people had reportedly reached out to the embassy for help. The official website of the Indian Embassy in Cambodia has also issued guidelines for Indian job seekers, asking them to stay cautious of fake promises of lucrative job opportunities in the country as they might fall prey to human traffickers. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's former personal secretary Bibhav Kumar, who is accused of assaulting AAP Rajya Sabha member and former DCW Chief Swati Maliwal, was taken to 3 locations in Mumbai, said police sources privy to the probe. According to police, Kumar had formatted his phone on May 17, citing a malfunction. Sources suspect that Kumar, before formatting his phone, had transferred data to another person's device. Kumar was taken to Mumbai on Tuesday and was brought back today. Kumar was also taken to Chief Minister residence on Monday, where the crime scene was recreated. The 8 Lok Sabha constituencies scattered over 5 districts of West Bengal, which will be going to polls in the 6th phase of the election on May 25th, will be turned into virtual fortress as the Election Commission of India (ECI) has decided to increase the deployment of Central Armed Police Forces (CAPF) by 56% over what it was in the 5th phase. Insiders in the office of the West Bengal Chief Electoral Officer (CEO) said that out of 1,020 companies, 919 companies will be deployed at the polling booths. Of the remaining 101 companies, the majority will be deployed as part of the quick response team and a small portion will keep on reserve. The Assam police today arrested a Qazi, marriage registrar and 7 others for allegedly officiating a child marriage in Karimganj. Police said that they received information about the marriage function being held at Kaba Reband village under Patharkandi police station in Karimganj on Monday evening, following which an operation was launched to arrest the people involved. The Israeli Foreign Ministry said today it had ordered an immediate recall of its ambassadors to Ireland and Norway in response to those nations' decisions to recognize a Palestinian state. Israeli Foreign Minister Israel Katz said the decision to recognize a Palestinian state undermined Israel's right to self-defense and efforts to return the 128 hostages being held by Hamas in Gaza. Indian tennis star Sumit Nagal is all set for his Wimbledon men's draw debut. His participation marks the first time in 5 years that an Indian will compete in the Wimbledon singles draw. He will also make his Roland Garros men's draw debut on clay this month. The men's draw matches at the second Grand Slam of the year being on May 26th.